Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will focus on chaining.
Materials.
The only thing that you will need for today's lesson is a piece of paper and pencil. We have two learning targets for today's lesson. The first learning target says, I can add or change a phoneme in a one-syllable spoken word to make a new word. The second learning target says, I can read and spell CVC words with the phonemes Z, S, F, U, I, and B.
Word work.
We can make new words by switching one of the letter sounds with a different letter sound. If we start with a word we know, we can make new words just by changing one sound. Let's start with the word buff. We'll make new words by changing the last sound. The sounds in the word buff are B, F. If we replace the F sound with the Z sound, I would say B, Z. Buzz. Notice that both of these words have double letters at the end. We learned that when a word ends with F, L, S, or Z, we add an extra F, L, S, or Z. But even though there are two letters at the end, F, L, S's, or Z's, we only hear one of them. These letters have twin power because they work together to protect the short vowel sound. What if we change the first sound in miss from to h? What word do we have? Is, hiss. These words end with S, so the S is doubled. Let's change one more sound and see how the word changes. We'll change the middle sound in fuzz from to I. What word would we have then? Is, fizz. Because the word ends with Z, there are two Z's. You got it.
Writing.
Now we will write letters that match each sound we hear. This will help us write words. Get your paper and pencil ready. Let's start with another word that has a twin power letter at the end. Fill. The letter F starts close to the top line. Curve up to the left just to the top of the line, then pull straight down to the bottom line. Cross your line in the middle to finish your F. To write the letter I, start at the middle and pull straight down to the bottom line. Add a dot above the line. To write the letter L, start at the top line and pull straight down to the bottom line. Write the letter L twice to finish spelling the word fill. Now let's see how the word changes if we change the f sound to we would have ill, mill. The letter M starts at the middle line. Pull straight down to the bottom line. Retrace your line back up, then arch to the right and pull down to the bottom again. Retrace your line once more and arch to the right again, ending at the bottom line. To write the letter I, start at the middle and pull straight down to the bottom line. Add a dot above your line. To write the letter L, start at the top line and pull straight down to the bottom line. Write the letter L twice to write the word meal. Now we will use sound boxes to help us match letters to sounds we hear. The sound boards have 3 boxes because our words have 3 sounds. Remember, those twin power letters make only one sound, so they'll go together in one sound box. The first word is miss. Let's sound it out together. S. Now blend it together. Miss. Write the word miss on your paper. First, write M for the Then I for I. Then double S for S. Let's look at one more word. This time it will be a nonsense word. It's not a real word, but we can still read it because we know how to listen for all the sounds. How has the word changed? Yes, the twin power letters are now F's instead of S's. How has the word stayed the same? The first and middle letters are the same. Can you read or decode what the word says now? Let's tap it out. I. Now blend it together. Myth. Now write myth on your paper. First, write M for Then I for I. Then double F for We made a different word by changing one sound. Nice chaining today.
Closing reflection.
Which 4 letters have twin power and get doubled when they come at the end of a word? The letters F, L, S, and Z. Continue to listen and look for words that have twin powers, letters, at the end. F, L, S, Z. See you next time. Bye.